Alright guys, so see you right here. So this is the cornmeal pudding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do some cornmeal pudding. I have raisins and cherries in this jar here, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, got some brown sugar, flour, and my cornmeal, vanilla, and coconut milk. I will put the recipe in the description box below. So I will show you guys what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is pour the flour into this container and the cornmeal. Just going to mix it together, whisk it together. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to pour the milk in here. This is 6 cups of coconut milk. Cups of coconut milk and the sugar. Okay. So I'm going to mix it until the sugar is properly dissolved. Alright, so I changed the container. Alright, so the sugar is properly dissolved. I'm going to add my salt. Oops. This is nutmeg and cinnamon. Okay. Just going to mix this around. And then I'm going to add it to the cornmeal mixture. See? Just continue whisking. Alright, so I'm going to add my coconut milk to this right now. Slowly add it. Right. Just mix it around. Okay, add some more. I'm going to continue mixing it. I don't want any lump to form in it. I'll add the rest of my milk to it. Add the rest of it. Oh, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. A tablespoon of vanilla. Or maybe just a little bit more. Alright. See, it's not a lot of ingredients to it. It's really easy to make. It's not hard. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside and grease my baking pans. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so these are my baking pans. It's greased. I'm just going to pour the pudding mixture into it. This is how it's supposed to look. me get the other one. And I already preheated the oven, so I'm just going to put them in the oven to bake. I'm going to show you guys how it looks after the baking process is over. Okay, so I have a little flour here and my raisins. I'm just going to take them and put them in the flour. The reason why I'm doing this is so the raisin doesn't sink to the bottom of the pudding mixer. Okay, let me put them in. I'm just going to use a strainer. Okay, let me put some over here. Alright, so I'm not going to put any more raisins in them. Alright. Alright, so it's time for me to get them into the oven. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, so I just got them into the oven. So I'm going to leave these for around 40 to 50 minutes and then get back to you guys and show you how it looks. Alright, so I'm going to add some sugar to the coconut milk and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, so this is to pour on it to make sure that it is really moist. The top is really moist. So I'm just going to stir this around and add it to the pudding. Alright, so I'm just going to set this aside and get back to you guys. Alright, so I'm just going to pour some of the milk mixture above the top part of the pudding. So this will make it really moist. So I'm going to put it back in the oven so it can continue baking. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. My meal pudding. I added my own little twist to it and just put a little red label wine so you know it's gonna have a darker look, but it tastes really good. And thank you guys for watching my videos and have yourself a wonderful day. And do remember to like and subscribe and also leave a comment.